right? Yes, you can go out and get certifications, you can go and do different things like that. But personally, I think it's more important to just do the work, to be involved in the industry. In a way, that's kind of the beauty of data science, that there really is no official certification or something like that. Like, if you wanted to be an accountant or a stockbroker, there's like official licenses you have to earn for that. That doesn't really apply in data science, right? In data science, you can just be a data scientist, right? Or a couple of years ago, there was this concept of the citizen data scientist, right? Where somebody could just take it upon themselves to do data science with different, pieces of data that were available, right? So I'm a big fan of that. And that's usually why I answer those questions with, well, if you want to be a data scientist, be a data scientist, right? And I had a video on this, I think just last week, about how, nobody's going to come along and anoint you, and touch you with a magic wand and say, you are now a data scientist. And that's the impression I get from talking to a lot of you, that people are waiting to be anointed a data scientist, right? You're waiting for that corporate job to come along and award you the title of a data scientist. And I don't think you have to do that.